Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix mic is not working on Rainbow Six Siege. So the first thing we need to do here, you need to go to settings, then you need to go to privacy and security, and then scroll down until you see microphone, and then make sure that microphone access, anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access with this on. Make sure this is on, and then you need to scroll down and make sure that this option is on as well. Let desktop apps access your microphone, and once you done here, then you need to go to sound settings. Then you need to make sure that your microphone is selected right, it has normal sound, and then you need to go to more sound settings here. Make sure that you're on recording and your right microphone, as you can see here, I'm speaking, and select it to the default microphone. If it's not, then right click and then it should be here set to default. And also right click on properties, make sure that levels are good here, it's not on mute, and make sure that highest hertz is selected, and also these two options are selected. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority. And then go back to volume mixer here, make sure that your microphone is here, and then run the game, and then let's say it's Rainbow Six Siege here, and then expand this option and make sure this is not on mute like this, and your input device is on default or is on Bluetooth or on your microphone. And also you can reset sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended settings by pressing reset, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.